Hey guys, wanna know how to download DaVinci Resolve 18 on your PC? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your favorite browser and type in blackmagicdesign.com. Now, once you're on the website, here you can see support. Simply click on it. Now scroll down until you see this latest downloads section. Now just simply scroll down and find DaVinci Resolve 18. And right here, after a few scrolling, as you can see, DaVinci Resolve 18 has been found. You can scroll down for more previous versions, but if you want this, I'll just select Windows times 86, or you can choose one of your OS. Now once you've clicked on it, you should fill in your details first. Now, once you have filled in the appropriate form, just simply select register and download. And there you go. Your DaVinci Resolve has begun installing. Now it will be installed in a WinRAR zip file, and then after that you can simply extract it in order to use it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.